We have a Schweiss 54-inch mower, 0 turn, Kohler engine on it, I believe 20 horse, runs great. It has the hydraulic lift for the mower deck. It's a 54-inch mower deck. Has a joystick to control the 0 turn. This unit has 778 hours on it approximately. Again, a 54-inch mower deck, Schweiss, with a Kohler engine, hydraulic lift on the belly mower. Tires are in good shape. Has a rear hitch. If you have any questions regarding this mower or anything else that we have on our auction, please call Wayne at 763-242-9496.